BeeMachine is a tool that people can use to identify bee species using computer vision. We take lots of images and we train an AI algorithm so that it can understand what species, how to identify those species that it sees in images. And we've put this all on our website and on a mobile app so that people can use it for identifying all of the bee species that they see in their backyards, while they're on hikes, in their research projects. You know, we have 20,000 different bee species in the world, and in any given project we might have, you know, a few hundred or up to 1,000 different bee species. We don't have time to learn every species out there. We need these tools to help us with research, to help us gather data on very large scales.
So I think this work is really important because it does bring people, it allows, you know, more people to kind of learn more about pollinators. You know, when they download the app and they get to go use it in their backyard, they can learn about what pollinators are around them. But it also, through the app, we are able to have this sort of database of information and photographs of bees from all across the world. And that's really important as a scientist to have that, you know, wealth of data that we can then use to do research. You know, we can look at the distribution of different bee species across the world, and we can use that as citizen science data, which is really important.
Our BeeMachine project helps us get these identification skills into the hands of you know, potentially millions, whether they're a backyard gardener or, you know, somebody out on a hike. They can you know, upload those pictures and get those responses pretty quickly. You know, we're also building it for other scientists. They need help identifying the species that we get so that we can track important populations and important species. This set of algorithms and these websites allow us to do that. We're still hoping that it continues to grow, so there's a lot of work to be done, but I think we're on the path to kind of where we want to get it to be.